Here, open this one first.
Wow, this one's really heavy. What's in it? Wow, it sounds really noisy. Wow, sounds like some things are banging together inside.
Do you like it?
Oh, really? This isn't what I really wanted. But it's all been banging together in here and it's all banged up already.
Okay, well, try this one.
Okay. Well, hopefully the other one's better than this one. Must be extra special. It's got 2 bows on it. Wow. Westcott Designs. Man, they got it together with the packaging. That's a nice box. Wow, this is awesome. Wow, this is really nice packaging. They definitely do it right. They take their stuff to the next level when they build stuff, all the way down to their lift kits. Man, this is a really nice lift kit. All these parts are really nicely packaged. Thanks, honey. This is exactly what I wanted. Thanks so much.